Good morning, this is Mission Control Houston. Welcome and thank you for joining us for today's edition of Space Station Live this Wednesday, June 12th. Today is a crew off-duty day aboard the International Space Station in recognition of Russia Day holiday to honor the country's declaration of state sovereignty in 1990. Despite the crew off-duty day, the crew will be participating in a few activities that require basic maintenance and upkeep. Commander Vinogradov is attending to a study known as a plasma crystal that looks at a matter called dusty plasma, which contains particles big enough to be seen and tracked with video cameras. The plasma structures created, some never seen before on Earth, will help scientists to test their ideas about conventional solids, whose atoms are too small to watch. Flight engineers Chris Cassidy, Luca Parmitano, and Karen Nyberg will be collecting biological samples for continuing human body studies that help to understand how living in space affects the human body and also learn new countermeasures like diet and exercise. These biological samples are collected and stored in the onboard freezer known as the Melfi, or the minus 80-degree laboratory freezer. These samples will give research insight into anomalies like bone loss in space, which in turn can also be applied to finding solutions for battling osteoporosis on Earth. The trio, Cassidy, Parmitano, and Nyberg, also will be conducting a periodic health assessment, taking turns as a subject and assistant, like a regular checkup at the doctor's office here on Earth, to help identify risk factors for prevention of serious medical issues and to maintain their good health. Meanwhile, flight engineers Yurchiki and Parmitano also tend to a few house maintenance tasks. Yurchikin will perform regular maintenance to the Soj. This is the Russian life support system, while Parmitano will conduct a water sample analysis of the onboard water recovery system. It's a regenerative system that converts urine, sweat, and condensation into drinkable water for the crew. The crew will have time to prepare for getting back to work tomorrow for a busy day of science research, maintenance, and preparation of the upcoming vehicle docking of the Automated Transfer Vehicle 4 that is nicknamed Albert Einstein this Saturday, and also a Russian spacewalk outside the Piers docking compartment in a couple weeks. Meanwhile, 2 rendezvous burns are being conducted today by the Albert Einstein, the Automated Transfer Vehicle 4, that continues to phase toward the space station for its docking Saturday at 8:46 a.m. Central Time. This is Mission Control Houston.